how to paint this. You get a canvas. I've gone for this 40 by 50 centimeters, 16 by 20 inches approximately. Remove. Get some paint. Orange. Reeves. Orange. Reeves. White. Reeves. Burnt sienna. Although burnt umber is what I probably wanted. So yeah, do that. Pick a brush. Any brush. The big ones. What you want? That's pretty big. Go to acrylic. Apply. Apply softly, evenly. Try not to let the brush leave any hairs or any big noticeable brush marks. Continue. Listen to Pantro theme tune. It makes you better at painting. Oh. Apply some water every now and then. Thin things out. You will probably need a second coat.